Domestic equity markets had a volatile day and finally ended more or less flat. Market participants are waiting for the May inflation number and, of course, for the outcome of the upcoming monetary policy review later this week. Global markets were also more or less lackluster, and major European indices are trading flat as we speak. Back home, the Sensex ended at 16,880, up around 17 points or 0.11%, and the Nifty gained around 5.5 points to end at 5121. Mid-caps had suffered more, and the BSE mid-cap index was down around 0.21%. Amid all the uncertainty, as expected, defensives gained today. BSE FMCG index was up around 1%. Also, momentum-driven BSE Capital Goods Index gained around 1.58% today on speculation that the government may finally kickstart infrastructure development. There's also speculation on a possible 50 basis point repo rate cut in the upcoming monetary policy review, and there are some reports which are suggesting even a CRR cut. Banking stocks, however, did not react much to this news. The BSE BankX was down around 0.11% today. Individual stocks, however, were a mixed bag. HDFC Bank declined around 1.25%, whereas ICICI was up around 1.23%. SBI gained around 0.7%. PNB was up around 1.5%, and Axis Bank declined around 1% today. Diesel car makers suffered, as reports are suggesting an additional levy on purchasing diesel cars up to around rupees 2 lakh. Tata Motors declined around 2.1% today. Maruti Suzuki was down around 3.4%, and Mahindra & Mahindra declined 1.75% on this news. The BSE Auto Index was actually the biggest loser in trade, down around 1.47%. UB Group stocks rose sharply in trade on buzz of stake sale by United Spirits. United Breweries Holdings Limited was up 20%, United Spirits gained around 6.4%, and Kingfisher Airlines was up around 6.3%. Among individual stocks, it was a mixed day today. In the Sensex, Hindustan Unilever gained around 3%. L&T was up around 2.6%, and ONGC gained around 2.8%. On the losing side, Sterlite Industries lost around 2.2%, NTPC was down around 2.15%, and Hero MotoCorp declined around 1.7%.